Toucans are colorful birds known for their large, vibrant beaks that can be nearly half their body length. They are native to Central and South America, often found in tropical rainforests. Their beaks, though large, are lightweight and made of keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. Toucans use their beaks to reach fruits on branches too small to support their weight. They are omnivorous, eating fruits, insects, small reptiles, and sometimes bird eggs. Toucans live in tree holes for nesting, often repurposing holes made by woodpeckers. These birds play a vital role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health of their rainforest habitats.